Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, hello, how you doing? Yes, I've come to give you latest gist update about the Alaafin of Oyo, who has joined his ancestor at the age of 83 years old. The Alaafin of Oyo has finally been laid to rest around 4 p.m. Nigeria time today, which is Saturday 23rd of April 2022, and in the ancient town of Oyo. The chief imam of Oyo, Mashood Ajokidero, and other faithful have said their final prayers over the remains of late Alaafin of Oyo, Oba Lamidi Adeyemi III. And present at the burial ceremony today was, as at 4 p.m. Nigeria time, was Oluwo of Iwo, Oba Abdulrasheed Adewale Akanbi. Also present was Olofa of Ofa, that's Oba Mufutau Mohammed Oloyede Badamosi, and the president in person of President Muhammadu Buhari also sent his condolence to the Oyo people for the loss of the monarch. And here we say, may his soul rest in perfect peace. Amen.